Magnetic pushpins can be applied to any magnetic and metallic surface, such as magnetic whiteboard, refrigerator, magnetic map, and so on. There are 4 different sizes, and there are 3 different packages. First is poly bag. Second is a rectangular plastic box. Third is a round plastic bottle. These pushpins feature heavy-duty magnetic backings that can hold papers at once.